So this is my 2013 Scion FRS. It's got a Tomei unequal length catless header and a Remark muffler delete axle back. We're just going to give you a warm start before we install the 1320 dual resonator front pipe.
This is a warm start. Ready?
Installing a 1320 dual resonated front pipe. Getting rid of the cat, so I'll be fully callous after this, so hopefully sound pretty good. Let's get to the install. Alright, so we jacked up the car and I'm going to show you, this is the bolt that mounts to the tranny. It should be a 14. Back there to the mid pipe, you got two spring bolts, should be a 14 and a 12, and at the front here connected to the over pipe you got a bolt right there on each side, 14. All right, we're out in the back. So we got the transmission bolts out, and we got the two bolts in the back that connect to the mid pipe. Another thing to keep in mind, guys, you might have to take this off, but mine is kind of shredded, so I don't need to. But if yours is intact, you're just shielding. You might need to take it off to get access to these front bolts that connect to the over pipe. Alright guys, so we're on to the last bolt connected to the over pipe. One thing we found though, if you're having trouble getting off these bolts, because it's kind of a hard reach to place, if you just kick it really hard, it tends to come off. So there's going to be two gaskets. You're going to have a donut gasket for the back. You can reuse your stock one, but my car is a little old, so I went go ahead and just bought a new one from Grimspeed. It was like 18 bucks, so you know, try not to get exhaust leaks. So that just goes on there, and then you just have a normal gasket that goes on the front here. All right guys, so we just got the new front pipe in place. You know, got the gasket not bolted down yet. We're starting over there in the back. But yeah, this install is pretty easy, almost done. Just gotta put the bolts on and be ready to hear the sound clip.